not forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for daily updates. Hello friends, welcome to Express Current Affairs. Let us see the important topics covered from yesterday's and today's Hindu newspaper, along with the important questions that might appear in coming exams. I have provided you the PDF link of yesterday's video in today's description below. Do download it. Now let's start. Who became the first Indian to be declared a fugitive economic offender? Nirav Modi, Vijay Mallya, Mehul Choksi, Jatin Mehta. The answer is B. Vijay Mallya. Vijay Mallya became the first Indian to be declared a fugitive economic offender. Now, fugitive means a person who is escaping from captivity or running away or hiding. Now, remember the Act, Fugitive Economic Offenders Act, came into effect on July 25, 2018. Remember the date, important. Now, the conditions to declare a person as a fugitive offender are as follows. Remember these 2 points. Very important for State Public Service Commission or UPSC. The arrest warrant is issued and the value of offences exceeds 100 crore rupees. Now, in this case, a person is declared as an offender. And the second condition is refusal of the person to return home to face the prosecution. A special court can order the confiscation of his or her properties in this case. What is the main aim of Operation Smile and Operation Muskan? To rescue old people, to rescue children, to feed the hunger, to save girl child from early marriage. The answer is B, to rescue the children. Sorry for the typo error here. The answer is B. You need to know the main aim of Operation Smile and Operation Muskan. It is a dedicated search and a rescue mission to trace the missing children and reunite them with the families. Operation Smile, a month-long program, starts in January every year, and Operation Muskan comes into effect in July after the conclusion of Operation Smile. Now, since 2015, so far, 26,000 children rescued as part of this program. Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act scheme turns how many years on 2nd of February 2019? 10 years, 11 years, 12 years or 13 years? The answer is D, 13 years. Now, there are few flagship schemes started by Government of India still running. So, you need to remember all these important schemes. Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Act scheme launched on 2nd of February 2006 in Anantapur district, Bandlapalli village in Andhra Pradesh. Remember the date along with the place, very important. Now, this scheme provides 100 days guarantee employment in rural areas for semi-skilled and unskilled labor. Now, recent study says that this scheme faces difficulty in meeting the demand for work and paying wages on time. Who is the 10th Sikh Guru? Guru Har Gobind, Guru Gobind Singh, Guru Tej Bahadur, Guru Arjan. The answer is B. Guru Gobind Singh is the 10th Sikh Guru. Very important. Recently, the Sikhs celebrated the birth anniversary of Guru Gobind Singh. The date is not important, but the person is very important. He is the 10th Sikh Guru. Guru Gobind Singh was the son of Guru Tej Bahadur. Guru Gobind Singh contributions to Sikhism are: he founded the Sikh warrior community called Khalsa in 1699 and introduced the 5 Ks, the 5 articles of faith that Khalsa Sikhs wear at all times. So you need to remember all these 5 Ks, very important from exam point of view. Now let's see the 5 Ks tradition of the Khalsa initiated by the Guru Gobind Singh. Now these 5 Ks are very important from exam point of view. They will ask the definitions or in the math the following. So do remember the meanings. Kesh is the uncut hair. Kanga is a wooden comb. Kara is an iron or steel bracelet worn on the wrist. Kirpan is a sword. Kachera is the short breeches. Which team won the Pro Kabaddi League Season 6 title? Gujarat Fortune Giants, Bengaluru Bulls, Telugu Titans or Patna Pirates? The answer is B. Bengaluru Bulls won the Pro Kabaddi League Season 6 title, defeating Gujarat Fortune Giants in the finale. You need to know the captains of both the teams. The captain of Bengaluru Bulls is Rohit Kumar, whereas the captain of Gujarat Fortune Giants is Sunil Kumar. Now, in recent exams, they are even asking the topics based on Pro Kabaddi League, so you need to have minimum idea of this league. Divij Sharan belongs to which of the following sport? Cricket, tennis, kabaddi, badminton. The answer is B. Tennis. Divij Sharan belongs to the sport of tennis. Recently, Rohan Bopanna along with Divij Sharan won the first ever 2019 Tata Open Maharashtra doubles title. Earlier, they both have represented India in Asian Games 2018 and won the gold medal. India won its first match in AFC Asian Cup against which country? United Arab Emirates, Japan, Thailand or China? The answer is C. Thailand. Now, AFC Asian Cup is the Asian Football Confederation Asian Cup. India won its first match against Thailand in this AFC Asian Cup. Now, India makes a history. After 55 years, India won its first game in the AFC Asian Cup. The last game which India won was in the year 1964 against Hong Kong. India defeats Thailand in the first match, making a score of 4-1. Who is Tahawwur Hussain Rana? You need to have minimum idea about the persons in news, very important. The options are a key accused in 26/11 Mumbai attacks, a key accused in Gujarat riots 2002, a fugitive economic offender, or a key accused in 1984 Sikh riots. The answer is A. A key accused in 26/11 Mumbai attacks. Tahawwur Hussain Rana is a Chicago-based businessman and a school friend of David Headley. He was arrested in the US in the year 2009 and sentenced for 14 years by the US court. Now his term will end by 2023. He was convicted for providing material support for Pakistan-based Lashkar-e-Toiba, the terrorist group behind the Mumbai attacks of 2008. Now recently, National Investigation Agency of India requested for the extradition of Tahawwur Hussain Rana. The United States indicated that the extradition could take place only after the completion of his jail term in the US. Now that means Tahawwur Hussain Rana would be extradited to India only after 2023. Let's see the question for the day. Which is the first Asian team to win a test series on Australian soil? Sri Lanka, India, Bangladesh or Pakistan? Mention your answers in the comment section. The quote for the day, it's not what we do once in a while that shapes our lives, it's what we do consistently. Now for clearing any competitive exams, the only key is the consistency. So study every day without a miss and do not postpone things. This is it for today. See you tomorrow. Have a nice day. Thank you all for watching. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe.